one is a liar.
Hi friends, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to discuss about odd man out topic. So this is very easy and simple topic in reasoning you will be getting in your examinations whenever you're attending any placement test or any aptitude test like any banking exam and any railway exam. So this is the favorite question for examiner. So this is very simple topic when it compared to other topics. So don't neglect this topic. This is very scoring topic. Sometimes they will be asking in reasoning itself two or three questions from this topic. Okay, so it is very easy one. I hope many of us know about what is odd man out. So I'm explaining in just 2 to 3 minutes of time. So you will be get some clarity and all, like what exactly this topic and all. So what exactly this odd man out means is like, so they will be giving like this exactly question. So I'm directly discussing questions with you, so it will be very easy for you to understand and all. So this is the type of one type of odd man out question. So they will ask exactly like this only. So find the odd man out. Like some they will give some numbers pattern like this. So 1, 3, 9, 12, 19 in this 21. In this we need to find exact odd man out. So there will be five numbers. Okay. So there will be 5 or 6 numbers or 5 or 6 alphabets or 5 or 6 letters, words, anything they can ask you. Okay, so in this video I'll taking numbers as examples. So you might expect like something green, yellow, something words, alphabets, something. So they will try to form a logic over there. So they try to ask. So before answering these questions, keep one point in your mind. So whenever you are like answering these questions, you will be sometimes you will be getting multiple answers. Okay, but you need to think smartly to crack your answer and all. Okay, in some questions there is only one logic, but in certain questions you will be getting exactly like 2 to 3 logics in certain questions. Okay, then you need to decide what to choose and all. So depending upon factors you can decide at times. Okay, so coming to the first question, so they're asking find odd man out when, so they given some pattern. Okay, so we need to like decide which is the odd man out of the particular number. Okay, so 1, 3, 9, 12, 19, 21. So if you want to answer, just pause this video and try to answer it. Okay, so here the answer is going to be 12. Why 12? So see, if you observe carefully, 1, 3, 9, 19, 21 are the odd numbers. Expect this 12. So this is the odd man out. So the answer is going to be 12. In your exam, if they ask same question, means you will be answer exactly 1 mark for this simple question. So let's take another example, okay, to get clarity and all. So find the odd man out. So they given certain pattern. We like this. We need to like tell what is the odd man out. Okay, out of these 4 options. So if you see the logic means you got one logic, right? If you want to answer, just pause this video and try to answer within yourselves and try to check your answer next. Okay, so this is the 2 cube and this is the 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Okay, so 196 is not a cube and 216 is a 6 cube and 7 cube, 343 is a 7 cube. Okay, so here odd man out is like 196. Why? Because so here I'm writing for you. So 196 is not a perfect cube. So 196 is not a perfect cube. So they are given all the cube numbers. Expect this 196. So this is the exactly odd man out. So and I hope you got some clarity how to do and all this odd man out concept. Okay. So this is the next question actually. Find odd man out of 127, 187, 264, 386, 473, 682, 781. Okay. So see. So if you got the answer is like your thinking is very like a good way. If you're not able to crack, practice more and more examples to get clear idea. So like how to answer and all. Okay, so 187 is nothing but how you got is like if you add the adjacent numbers like 1 and 7, you got the middle number. If you add the adjacent numbers 2 and 4, you got the 6. Okay, if you add like 3 and 6, you will not getting the middle number. So odd man out is 386. So the answer is going to be for third one is 3. So answer for the third one is like 386. Okay. So why 386? I'm telling again for you the logic. You need to like try different logics until it comes. Okay. You never stops thinking. Okay. So quick thinking. So if you add 7 and 1, you got the middle number. If you add 2 and 4, you got the middle number. If you add this, you got the middle number. If you add this, you got the middle number. If you add this, you got the middle number. Whereas 386, if you add, you will have to get 396, but it is 386. So the odd one out of this following is like 386. So the next question, fourth one, find the odd man out of 362 and certain numbers they have given. So you need to find the logic. So if you find, so it is also very simple one. If you multiply the like n digits, like 3 into 2 would be 6, 4 into 2 would be 8, 5 into 1 would be 5, 2 into 3 would be 6. In the similar way, If you add 3 and 4, it has to be 12, not 4. Okay, so the odd one of the following is going to be 344. So this is the simple logic. So try to think like this. Try to think like this and try to answer yourself. If you found like, definitely if you are attending any RRB exam or SSC JEE exam, some government exams, if you are preparing PHL exam or something like that, any government exam, definitely they will give you odd man out questions for sure. Okay, so this is the fifth question and the last question I'm discussing with you. You can take more and more examples and practice yourselves. The like final question is like, find the odd man out of this series. So they are given certain words. Okay, so like the simple logic, if you want to answer, just pause this video and try to answer yourself. So the logic here is like 5, 11, 17, 23, 29 are the prime numbers. Okay, are prime numbers. You know what is prime numbers, right? So the number which is divisible by itself is that number, like that. Okay, so whereas one is not a prime number. So one is not a prime number, not a composite number. Okay, one is not a prime nor composite number. Okay, so the answer is going to be 1. So this is the simple logic. So I hope you got all like what I'm trying to say is like, so in this video I have discussed about odd man out concept. So they will be giving different like 5 to 6 numbers or 5 to 6 letters or 5 to 6 alphabets or anything, something like that. They will give some logic in all the other given alphabets or something like that. So apart from one, all other are having some logic and all. So we need to find the odd man in the series. So that is very simple one. So definitely they're going to give 2 or 3 questions in your upcoming examination. So follow this topic. Take more and more examples and practice. I hope this helps you. Thank you.